Well, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Here we are at our favorite beach again. Although a little bit has changed since the last time we were here. Got a new fire pit. Looks like some sort of sailboat up on the beach here in a trailer. So a little bit different here than the last time we were here about a week and a half ago. Plus, I got my summer equinox haircut. Once every 6 months, I just shave it all off and let it grow for another 6 months. So today, we're inspired by my friend Simon, who lives on the complete other coast where I am. He's on the west coast, VA7BIX. I was watching a video the other day of Simon's where he made a boomerang antenna. And I said, well, I'm going to go to the beach and try that. So today we're going to try the boomerang antenna, which is really just a dipole. And what he's done, and I'll show you, he just made different cuts in the wire. Now he just kind of taped it together or twisted it together. I use WAGO connectors or lever connectors. You can get lever connectors as well to connect the wires together. But for this demo, and we're going to just stick to the 20 meter band because I'm not going to go fussing around changing bands and all that today. But it is a 5-band dipole, and I don't know. We'll see how it works. I did some testing at the house and it seemed to work okay with some pretty bad band conditions. Well, we've had bad band conditions for a long time. Although on paper today, it looks good. So, but what's on paper and what's in reality are completely two different things. Anyway, we're here at our favorite beach. Let's get set up. So here's the one leg of the boomerang. So I have tags marking off each band. Let me go see if I can show you what that looks like here. So here's 10 meters. There's our WAGO connector. So that's 9 feet 6 inches. Then it's a 1 foot section for 12, a 1 foot section for 15, a 2 foot section to go to 17, and a 3 foot section for 20. You know, if you follow the KJ60R performer measurements, you're not going to be too far off. So we're going to run one leg of this up the DX Commander mast, and the other one we're going to tie off over there somewhere. We got lots of driftwood. We should be able to find this place to tie it off. I'm hoping I got it in the right orientation. That's kind of Europe over that way. So I may go over that way with it and just see if I can get some level of directivity of it. I don't know how directional this is. We'll see once we get it up. All right, so we have one of these standard red and black binding posts. Has a BNC connector on it, so we have to use a 239 to BNC adapter. And don't ask me if it's SO or 2PL. I can never remember PL or SO. Who's the female and who's the male? Got to be an easy way to remember that. I don't know, some sort of trick. SO 239 and PL 239, male and female. If you have a trick, how do you remember that? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, that's how we're going to get it connected. We're going to run our other leg up here somewhere and see where we want to set up here. All right, so there it is set up. Yeah, it's just really like a 20 meter dipole in a boomerang configuration. I don't know how well this is going to work. That's the thing. I don't know how well this is going to work. Here just to play an experiment. So in Simon's video, he made a bunch of contacts with the US. Of course, you know that's not my goal. My goal is to work DX. So the way this antenna is orientated right now, if this is the direction, we're kind of more aiming towards the US. We really want to go that way, but the ocean's that way. All right, so we're sitting in an SWR at 1.7-ish, 1.6. It's fluctuating a little bit here, but we should be okay with that. We should be able to tune that out, no problem. So we are hearing some POTAs. All right, so I think we got our SWR issue sorted. So here we go. Here's the lowdown here. So here's the standard red and black connector just got off of Amazon. I need to put my choke on the radio end. There's a standard BNC to 239 connector. Our DX Commander high visibility coax. And here's just our connectors here. So here's our connector for 12, it goes to 12. And then 15, 17, 10, and then 20, and we just got to tie it off that piece of driftwood there on the pole. So it's not that high off the ground. I would like a little higher if I could. I just don't know where I would tie it off to get a little higher off the ground. Maybe lift that driftwood up a bit more. There we go. Got to lift it a little higher. My only concern is I don't want to have too much end vis. I'm here for DX. So can this thing DX? Like I said, Simon had some good success with it at the beach there in Victoria. I'm not sure. We'll see. Other ones have surprised me in the past. We are hearing a POTA station, but we're not here for POTA. We're here to work DX. And it's a little too windy to put my umbrella up today. So we're gonna have to bear the sun, which is supposed to turn cloudy here sometime after 5 o'clock. So we'll see. Let's go find a frequency and call CQ. All right, so we'll find a frequency here. We'll go down to where we like to hang out, down on 160-ish. 14160 sounds nice and clear right now. We are going to use the POTA crutch today. You know, my right to do that if I want. course, the wind's starting to pick up. It's supposed to be all that windy today. It's supposed to be like 8-kilometer-hour winds, but down by the water, it's a little different. Let's find another clean frequency here. I don't know about this antenna. I don't know. CQ 20 meters, CQ 20 meters. Hello, CQ 20 meters. This is Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ 20 meters.
Echo Alpha 5, India,
Echo Alpha 5?
Italy, Germany, India, Golf. Hello, Stuart, 5-9.
Yeah, Echo Alpha 5, India, Golf, 5 and 9. Nice signal.
You're Russia, 5-9 for serving. Thank you, Stuart. 73.
Thank you, 7-3. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ 20 meters.
Sugar Papa 3, Oscar, Charlie.
Sugar Papa 3, Oscar, Charlie. Nice signal, Ted, 5 and 9.
Thank you.
Thanks for the call, 7-3. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ 20 meters. Hotel Bravo 9, Foxtrot Bravo Golf. Hello, Morrow, nice signal, 5-9. Thank you, 7-3. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ 20 meters. Victor Echo 3, Yankee Oscar Alpha. John, you're 5 and 5.
I got you about a 5-9 here. Oscar November.
Thanks, John. 7-3. Good luck. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot.
Yourself, Stuart. Yeah, Victor Echo 3, Lima Bravo India. 5-9, buddy.
Yeah, thanks, Larry. Victor Echo 3, Lima Bravo India. 5 and 9. Nice signal here to the East Coast.
Sorry, 7-3.
Thank you, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ 20 meters.
Alpha Lima 7, Kilo Charlie.
Alpha Lima 7, Kilo Charlie. 5 and 3, Mike. 5 and 3 on the Boomerang Antenna.
Hi, Stuart. You're 5 and 5. 55 last.
Well, you just came up to a 55 there, my friend. 55 now. I'm running Simon VA7BIX's Boomerang Antenna, over.
Very good. Well, look, it sounds like you're having fun playing with different antenna designs here lately.
Yeah, it's cheaper than driving all over the place, going to every different park, over.
Yeah, and you're 5 and 7 that time.
Well, thanks, buddy. Thanks. Good to hear. I mean, this antenna's not very high off the ground. Maybe it's a 20-meter dipole, and one leg is maybe 3 feet or 4 feet off the ground, over.
Well, that's pretty surprising, but I guess you got the salt water working for you, right?
Yeah, right next to the beach, maybe 20 yards away, so it's not too far, over.
Yeah, that seems to make a huge difference for being able to have near field, good ground underneath of an antenna.
Oh yeah, 100% for sure. I was almost ready to ditch this experiment, but hey, it's working. I'm working all over the world with it. So I got Israel, now I got you in Norway, so it must be working.
Okay, my prefix is the number 2, Italy the number 0, 2 Italy 0, Foxtrot Lima Oscar, over.
Okay, got you that time, Irene. Got you. 2 India 0, Fox Lima Oscar. You're 5 and 5, over.
5 US 5 at 8, 58, over.
Thank you for the 5 and 8 in Northern Ireland, my friend. Thank you for the call. Appreciate it.
7-3.
7-3, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ 20 meters. Having a good run there, and then something went crazy squirrely on me. I'm not sure what happened, but all of a sudden I just started getting high SWR. Not sure why. Let's go troubleshoot it, see what's going on. Yeah, I can't tune anymore. Something's up. Where that was, it fixed itself. I just tightened a few coaxes down. Thank you for the call, 7-3. This is Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ 20 meters. Ocean Henry 2, Charlie Mike X-Ray, 5 and 9. Thank you, Lars, 7-3. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ 20 meters.
Sierra Mike 3, November Radio Yankee.
Sugar Mike 3, November Radio Yankee. Nice big signal, Thomas, 5 and 9.
You're 5-9 plus a lot. Really good signal, over.
Yeah, I'm just running Simon VA7BIX's Boomerang dipole. It seems to be working, over.
Indeed it does. It's really good signal. 10 dB over 9 that time, over.
Roger. Well, just 100 watts, my friend. Thank you, 7-3.
Good luck with activation. Bye-bye.
See you later. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ 20 meters.
Union Radio 4, Lima, Victoria.
Union Radio 4, Lima Victoria is correct?
Roger, 5-7.
Thank you. United Radio 4, Lima Victoria, 5 and 9. Thank you.
Thank you.
Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ 20 meters. I think I found my problem. I got a loose coax connection, so I just went back and re-tightened it. It seems to be working better now. CQ 20 meters, CQ 20 meters. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ 20 meters.
Delta Germany 4, Delta Whiskey. Hello, Stuart.
Delta Germany 4, Delta Whiskey. Hello, Mike. Sounding good. 5 and 9 off my wire antenna, over.
Yeah, Roger. New antenna, Stuart. Yeah, not so strong today. I'm not sure why. You are 5.6, 5.70 on my radio, Stuart. Over.
Yeah, I'm just running a wire dipole, Mike. A wire dipole, not very high off the ground, over.
Okay. But it worked for us. Thank you very much for your call. I start my station for 1 minute, and first what I do is I look in the cluster and look for Victor Echo 9 Charlie Foxtrot, over.
Well, there you go, mate. There you go. Well, nice to get you once again in the log there, Mike. All the best, my friend. Always a pleasure, my friend.
Yeah, thank you very much, Stuart. And good luck for you, and I hope it works. 73 is 3 years.
73. Thanks for the call, Mike. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot.
Charlie Tango 7, Alpha Zulu Tango.
Charlie Tango 7, Alpha Zulu Tango. Martin, nice to hear from you. 5 and 9, over.
Yeah, nice to hear from you. You're 5 and 9, my end as well.
Thanks, Martin. Nice to get you in the log tonight, my friend. 7-3. This is Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQDX 20 meters.
Oscar Zulu number 2, Alpha Foxtrot November.
Oscar Zulu 2, Alpha Fox November. Thank you. You're 5 and 9.
You're also 5-9, Sir. Good luck, and thank you.
Thank you, my friend. 7-3. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. She didn't pick up her dog poop. She didn't pick up the dog poop. Her dog crapped on the beach, and she didn't pick it up. Always have some fun at the beach. Always have things. That little white dog just came ripping up on that big black dog. So that dog there just came up and started barking at me randomly, but he's so nice, loves the water. Look at him, just puppy, love him. Everyone, well, the beach was really busy for about an hour or so. There were people with dogs, and now it's back to quiet. 8:45 at night, so you can see the sun still 3 fingers from the horizon. 8:45 at night. Summer equinox was yesterday. That's why I got my haircut. That's why I'm all clean. I get my once every 6 months haircut. Anyway, what a great outing. This antenna that Simon calls a rubbish antenna. Well, Simon, what a great antenna. It's just a 20-meter dipole. Well, the way I had it set up was a 20-meter dipole. It's a 5-band dipole. If you brought it down and took the, as Simon called it, the taps, I'll call it just the connectors. And I'll have a diagram that's downloadable in the pinned comment for you to download on how I had this all designed, so you can see it and download it. Anyway, we finished with 233 QSOs in 2 hours and 49 minutes. So it started off really fast. And then there was a lot of QSB on the band tonight. So we got hit with a lot of QSB. But what a DX night. What a great DX night tonight was from the beach here with that rubbish antenna from VA7BIX. So we had 233 contacts. 150 of them were US. You know, that is it sometimes. Canada, we had 15 contacts. We worked 6 provinces: BC, Alberta, New Brunswick, Newfoundland. We got the Nunavut station, VY0, and we got Ontario. We got 32 U.S. states. We got England, Spain, Poland. And you can see on the map, I'll put on the map on the screen here. England, Spain, Poland, Italy, France, Germany, Canary Islands, Northern Ireland. We got 3 in Finland tonight. 2 in Alaska. Alpha Lima 7 Kilo Charlie was one of them, which I think I captured on the video. Dominican Republic, thanks to David at Hotel India Delta and Hotel India 5 Papa Hotels, I think was the other one. A couple in Puerto Rico, a couple in Belgium, Switzerland, Norway, Israel, which was a nice contact to get. Although it wasn't a very good contact, but I still logged it anyways. Netherlands, Austria, not Australia, Austria. We got a Maritime Mobile in the North Sea, Oscar Yankee 1 Romeo, Maritime Mobile, registered in the Faroe Islands, but he was in the North Sea. And then we got Moldova, which is a rare one to get when we're out on a park or on a beach. Sweden, Ukraine, Thomas was really loud from Sweden. Portugal, Denmark, Belize, my friend Keith, Victor 31 Zulu Alpha, and Keith. Venezuela, Costa Rica, Russia near the end there, and then Belarus. Belarus is another rare DX when you're out doing portable. So a good overall DX night tonight. Let's go have a look at this antenna quickly. I'll tell you what my observations are. So what I think on this antenna is you want to get a good 1-to-1 balun on it, 1-to-1. These things here, they'll do the job. Hey, this antenna will do the job for you. But I found that this connector here was giving me trouble at the beginning until I figured out what the problem with it. This was somehow getting loose. Anyway, it worked. So I'm not complaining. Is it going to be an antenna I use regularly? Probably not, but it worked. Anyway, we got to pack up and get out of here. It's almost 9 o'clock at night, and what a great night playing radio at the beach. I won't be on the next 3 nights because we got soccer for the World Cup, or football as we call it in our house. England tomorrow, Canada on Wednesday, and Scotland on Thursday. We'll see how the weather's like. Maybe we'll get out and do another antenna test for something else. I do want to bring the KJ ER Performer back out and hook up 4 raised elements and see if that makes any difference. Maybe we'll do that. I also have my version of the spool antenna that I'm working on. So we got a couple things in the hopper of the shack. Anyway, I got to clean up the mess here. Got to clean up my work area here. It was a good antenna. I'll take it. Simon, good job. Thumbs up. It worked. We'll see you guys in the next video. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, here from one of my favorite, my favorite beach that I like to come to, Cap de Cocagne in New Brunswick. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.